Your stomach can growl even when there is no food inside it. That sound is caused by powerful muscle contractions moving through the digestive system. Between meals, the stomach and intestines activate a cleaning process called the migrating motor complex. These wave-like movements push leftover food, bacteria, fluids and gas through the digestive tract. When the stomach is empty, there is more hollow space inside. Air and fluid get squeezed around loudly, creating the growling sound you hear. Hunger signals from the brain can also strengthen these contractions, which is why stomach growling often becomes louder right before you eat.